Good morning, third graders. Today we're going to talk about 3 more text features that you might find in an informational text. Let me get my book out for today. All right, so today we're going to be looking at this book. Wait, weren't we learning about wolves? Yes, but not every nonfiction book has every text feature. Some informational books have some kinds of text features and not others, and other books might have the ones that the first book didn't have. Now, Face to Face with Wolves is an awesome book, and it's got a lot of really great photographs and captions, but there's some text features that it doesn't have. So I popped out this book, which does have those text features, so I can show you what they're used for. The text features we're going to be looking at today are bold, italic, and underlined words. Now, when you're reading an informational book, a lot of times you might see words that are darker than the other words, or they're kind of slanted differently from the other words, or they might have a line under them. They're underlined. Those words are important. It changes the way that you read the text on the page when words are written that way. Sometimes bold words indicate that a word might be in the glossary, sometimes not. A lot of times italic words and underlined words are only used for emphasis. That means that you need to pay close attention to those words when you're reading the book. And then the other text feature that we're going to look at today is headings. Headings are really important because they tell you the topic of a section of the text, so you know what you're going to read about ahead of time. That lets you ask questions and make predictions about what you're going to read, which improves your ability to understand. All right, let's look at these pages here. Now, there's tons of text features on these pages of our frog book. First, I see a heading. It says amphibians. That tells me that this block of text here is going to teach me about amphibians. I don't know what it's going to teach me about amphibians. I'd have to read the text to find that out. But I know it must be something about amphibians. I also see headings here. Here's one, is a toad a frog? That tells me that this little speech bubble is going to talk about, is a toad a frog? That's the topic of this bubble. And here's one more, how many? That's a heading. It tells me that this box here is going to talk about how many of something. My guess is how many amphibians, because this whole page is about amphibians. Now let me look for some bold, underlined, or italic words. I see tons. Let me look just at this box here. It says, I'm a tree frog, so I know that this text is going to be about being a tree frog. I'm going to stand up so I can get closer to the camera for you. All right, pay attention to the way that I read this text and the way that I emphasize those bold or italic words. Most frogs live near a river or pools of water. Oh, I know that must be important information because it's bold. But in rainforests, it is so humid, the trees are wet all the time, allowing some frogs to stay in them permanently. They are called tree frogs and have huge, sticky fingers to help them climb. In this block of text, the most important words and phrases were bold or italic. Make sure when you read an informational book, you're paying attention to those bold and italic words too, because they give you lots of new information and important clues about what you should learn from the text. All right, that's it for today. Now you get to try on your own.